I'm going to show you how to make creamy, delicious ice cream in less than 10 minutes. Without an ice cream maker, without a freezer, just using bags and science. The ingredients you will need to make this experiment are 1.5 cup of half and half or whole milk / heavy cream. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of ice, 1/3 cup rock salt. Essential, it makes the ice way colder, which you're gonna need for it to freeze the ice cream. 1 quart size Ziploc bag, a gallon size Ziploc bag, and a hand towel. We will first pour the half and half sugar and vanilla into the small bag, seal it, and make sure to push out as much air as possible. Too much air makes the bag pop, and an optional step is to seal that small bag inside another small bag to prevent leakage, which we did. We will next fill our gallon with half and half ice and dump in the rock salt. Place your sealed, yummy mixture right into the middle of the ice. After close the large bag, this gets extremely cold, so wrap it in a towel or put on some gloves. Now shake it. You need to shake, toss, and squish it for about 5 to 8 minutes. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making the mixture colder, which turns our ice cream into ice cream instantly. After the minutes are up, you will open the larger bag and take out the ice with salt. Then you will need to open the smaller bag to reveal the thick, perfect homemade ice cream. Making ice cream in a bag involves an endothermic process driven by freezing point depression. Adding salt to ice forces it to melt, a process that absorbs heat energy from the warmer cream mixture, lowering the mixture's temperature below freezing and forcing it to harden through conductive heat transfer. Conduction. Heat moves from the higher temperature ice cream to mix to the lower temperature ice salt. Mixture through the plastic bag causes the liquid to freeze. As the mix freezes, it undergoes a physical, not chemical, change from liquid to solid, with shaking aiding in emulsification and air incorporation. This process results in a rapid freeze that prevents large ice crystals from forming, producing a creamy texture. And that is the science behind making ice cream in a bag at home.